Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how you can create Flash USDT. First of all, you need to add Ethereum in your trust wallet. So minimum requirement is 0.1 Ethereum, so I will use 0.5 Ethereum in this video. So basically these Ethereum will go to the DeFi lender of Uniswap. In return you will receive Flash USDT. So I will also provide this code in video description, so copy that code, whole code, and go to remix.ethereum.org and click on new file, rename it usdt.sol. Watch the video carefully and paste that code. Click OK. Go to compiler, Solidity compiler, and change this version code 0.6.6 and confirm it. Click compile and then go to second option, deploy option, select injected provider MetaMask. It will ask you in your trust wallet to confirm, so confirm it and connect it. Put here Tether and in second box put USDT and click on transact. Then it will again ask you to confirm from your trust wallet, so confirm it. Then contract will be created, so simply copy that contract. So I will add 0.5. so here you can see 0.5 is received. So now click on start and confirm from trust wallet. Then again click on withdraw, then open your wallet. Then you can see this type of Flash USDT on same real USDT address. You will receive Flash USDT.